It's December 27, 2010, and we are all about to hit the streets because it is snowing outside. Hi, Jaden. Hi, honey. And it is a big mess outside. Ready, Isaiah? Mm-hmm. Let's go. Lead the way.
Let's go! I feel blind.
Don't leave the TV on, right? Awoka! Talking about the snow.
Guys, look!
Oh. Poor thing. Alright, let me lock the door so that nobody breaks in. I don't think anybody gonna break in because it's just too cold. Alright, here we go. Wow. Well, it's not that cold out here, but a lot of snow. Bloomberg, what are you doing? There should have been some snow plows out here. Alright, there's Jaden. He's 7 years old. There's Isaiah, my oldest son. He is, oh wow, he is 13 years old. My wife, D'Amica. Yes, I got the camera. Oh man, I got hit with a snow blast. Here, baby, here's the camera. Careful, don't fall. How does it feel?
Cold.
Wow, look at my feet. Look at that. It. Whoa, it's no joke out here. This reminds me of the blizzard of 1996, right, honey? Before Isaiah was born.
Come on, turn around.
Get together, guys. Take a quick picture.
Oh.
You hear that, guys? Whoa.
Come on, get together. Watch that stick, you don't fall on it.
So cold.
You're cold?
My chin is cold.
Where's your scarf?
All right.
So.
Yep, it's no joke out here. Up in the projects, Eastchester.
Oh my Lord!
Okay, honey.
Move your phone.
I'm moving my phone.
Oh,
My beautiful wife took a picture of me in the cold, in the snow. Let's go into the playground, see what's going on there. Wow. As you can see, nobody's been out here because there's no footprints in the snow. This is how it's looking in the Bronx.
Hey, what's that brownie box doing over here?
Jaden, did you bring any snacks with you? Oh, my wife taking pictures of me again.
Take one of me and my Rugrats, please.
Okay. I'm gonna multitask, record and take pictures.
Come on, Rugrat. Hey,
Ready, guys? All right, ready, set, go. All right, that's a good one. Gonna take a picture of me.
With the Rugrats?
Here, Isaiah, can you hold it for a second?
I'll try.
You got it?
Take a picture?
No, just record it.
Ah.
Hello, hi.
Hi, this is. You forget me. We're outside in the snow. Alright, take a picture of us, please. Can you see? It's my snow fort. I can see.
Alright guys, about to sign off. This is Preacher Man 2010 in the snow. Out here. It stopped snowing, but it's no joke. Stay warm, stay in the house. Peace. Jaden, peace. Okay.